Premiere one good music by the General. We call this one Hell I. It is one brand new music from Jamaica. Hell I is the tune. The artist is the General. Hell I. You hear that? Never let them take you for fool. We have to put this one from top. Okay, things like that here. From top, from top, from top. One to your nature one. This year one, you're good. The General. Hell I. Trust me, love this tune, mad man. Outer road, mad, bad. It's King Bash in the building. Premiering this year one tune here. Straight up from Jamaica. But never, 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 never. So the thing, man. Hell yeah! Hell yeah, hell yeah, give them to see another Father's Day. Hell yeah! Ghana we say. Yeah, I tell the tune with good vibe. The General. Hell yeah, hell yeah. I'll say the thing will give thanks for another day. Give thanks for another breath of life. Give thanks to see another Father's Day. Music by General. The General. Hell yeah, the most time. One back tune. Real tune. Yeah, man, so the thing, man. This is Live 91.9 show is Selector Sunday with your baddest DJ King Bashman. Yeah, man. So the thing go. Yeah, hell yeah. Yeah, don't tell you already. Don't it. Wicked tune by the General. We call this one Hit the Eye. Yeah, so the thing, here comes the 10th hour of the show. And we bring down the curtains on the second hour of the show into this year one year right about now. Buju Banta, brand new tune. Featuring John Legend. We call this one Memories. Brand new.
If I find something to say somewhere to go.